On.
Okay.
Welcome. We're going to set you up to do a chromatography separation of inks from pens. So zoom in, have a look. Quick little look here at these pens here. See these pens? Each one is brown, but each has a different manufacturer. And we'll just zoom over to here. One of those pens was used to write this note. And your job is to find out which one is which. We'll do chromatography. Now, you'll need some equipment, and you'll need 5 test tubes and a test tube rack. You'll also need some water. Just to show you where that is. Okay, let's go over here. You do not need these. It's felt pens and water, okay? So over here is your rack. And I suggest you use these bigger ones, not the smaller ones. So pull your test tubes from here. Bring it over, work at the tables. And then what you need to do is you need to prepare a piece of chromatography paper, one for each of the pens.
All right, so you're going to take a pencil, you're going to draw a line at the bottom about 2 fingers in. Just a line right here. And then we're going to cut it so it makes a little triangle up to the top here. Oh gosh. 1 and 2. And then,
there's
I
two
think
pieces
there's
of
2
paper
pieces
there, aren't
there.
there? Yeah,
Hey, I'm just doing double duty. And then give it a little bit of a fold. So it's a bit rigid, so it doesn't stick to the side.
Okay, so let's call this number 1. Number 1, what you need to do is put a dot there. Not too big, not too small, just Goldilocks right. Right there. There's a dot. There's number 1. Then you need to repeat the process and put number 2, 3, and 4. They will go in to the test tubes which you have filled with water. Very important detail. The water must not be deep enough to go up to the dot. Put a little bit of water in, like this. Maybe bend it over. And that is ready to go. Ideally, it will not be sitting against the glass. You need to have 1, 2, 3, 4, one for each of the pens, and a 5th one for this. You need to take a piece of this writing and tape it to one of these that you have put on. I actually like to put the ink inwards, and then we put some tape on here. There is number 5. What you do is you try to get them all 5 going, let the inks come up, and they should spread out somewhat like a rainbow, and you'll be able to tell who wrote this, which might have been a ransom note. Who knows? It should take about 10 minutes. When you're done, when you think you've got a good enough separation, pull them all out and put them on a sheet of white paper and lay them down and put all your names on it and which pen you think it was.